What's up everyone, this is Akshay Sipala, and if I can do it, you can do it. Are you right now applying to product manager positions, or did you get past the resume screening? Or do you have coming up a product management interview? So independent of what stage you're at right now, are you thinking what FAANG hiring managers look for in product management candidates? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. And before we get started, let's roll that intro. After going through a lot of product management interviews and after having multiple coffee chats with FAANG product managers that are part of the hiring process, this is what I understood. There are totally 5 key elements that hiring managers look for in product management candidates. And in this video, I'm going to share with you those key elements, so make sure that you stick around till the very end to add those final touches to your resume or to better polish your frameworks and answers for those product management interviews. Alright, let's get started. Number 1, the art of prioritization. Yes, prioritization is one key element that is part of a product manager's life. A product manager has to juggle a lot of things, has to manage time, and also has to prioritize various features and bug fixes. So basically, this is a war that a product manager has to wage every single day. So how can you showcase this skill? You can do it both on your resume as well as in your interviews. In interviews for both the behavioral as well as the product questions. In your resume, you can showcase all that you do outside of school or work. It could be any of your side hustles. It could be a personal project, a side project, or even you participating in a hackathon, or even being part of a product management club. Coming to interviews, if it's a behavioral one, you could narrate a great story around how you were able to manage all those different priorities, what challenges you faced, and also what you have learned from all of those experiences. And if it's a product question, you can showcase this skill by the way that you structure the conversation and add in a prioritization piece where you would prioritize the multiple features that you've thought of. For example, in a product sense question, not sure what I'm talking about, then make sure to check this video out first and then come back here. So in a product sense question, after I figure out multiple solutions for the pain point problems for a specific user segment, I would then prioritize all of those features based off of impact and effort analysis or by using the RICE method. Number 2, growth mindset. As you know, no product is perfect and there's always room for improvement. Hence, being a product manager is about constantly challenging the status quo, constantly pushing yourself to learn something new and learn from your mistakes, and finally, to execute. Hence, hiring product managers look for people who have a growth mindset. So how can you showcase your mindset? Well, it's easy. If it's on your resume, you can mention all that you did to constantly upskill and also lay out in your experiences how you were able to challenge the status quo. Upskilling can involve anything from learning designing or even learning how to use Power BI. Coming to behavioral questions, you could bring in experiences that tie in with why you used to constantly challenge yourself to learn something new, or even about that experience that you challenge the status quo. In your interviews, you can take it up a notch. You can showcase your growth mindset by adding an L to the CAR format that I mentioned earlier, which is context, action, result, and then L for learning. This shows how much you want to learn from each of your experiences. In a product question setting, it could be by the way that you learn from your interviewer's inputs and also the way that you thank the interviewer for the rich learning experience. See, there are n number of ways to showcase your mindset, and I guess if you're all in, you'd be radiating this mindset naturally. Number 3, passion for product. To get the best product out there, you have to love your customers, and hence you have to love the product that you're building. Remember, you have to sleep product and breathe product. Hence, hiring product managers look for people who have such kind of passion for product. And how do you showcase such passion? Well, it's again with your experiences, not just from work, but also your side projects. It could be that work experience where you went above and beyond to solve a customer pain point problem, or you attending that hackathon and winning that prize. And it's all in the way that you put those things on your resume, and coming to an interview, it's about the way that you narrate these amazing experiences. You can even showcase your product passion by the way that you tackle product questions in those interviews. It could be the way that you ask clarifying questions, the way that you think all about the user, and also the way that you stand out from the other candidates through your creative thinking. Number 4, natural leadership ability. If you remember, in our earlier videos, a product manager has no authority over people, but then would have to lead as well as motivate cross-functional teams to bring that product to life. And this natural leadership ability will help product managers with just that. That's why hiring product managers look out for people who have this natural charm of influencing the people around and the capacity to motivate everyone to execute. You can showcase this skill at ease if you already have this ability. On your resume, it could be about the various initiatives that you took lead, and coming to behavioral questions, it's all about the way that you narrate those experiences. Are you thinking how you can showcase this skill in product questions? Well, you can. You can by smashing that like button and helping the many more aspiring product managers out there. Jokes aside, you can do it within the product questions as well. It could be by the way that you are taking lead to answer those questions and the way that you're collaborating and involving the interviewer when designing and improving that hypothetical product. Number 5, well thought and structured communication. This is one of the top skills that a hiring manager demands in a product manager. Being a product manager, you should be able to communicate clearly as well as effectively with all the stakeholders day in and day out. So how can you showcase this? It could be by the way that you effectively and clearly detail your experiences on your resume, and the way that you effectively narrate those experiences in behavioral questions during those interviews. And this means you literally have to paint a picture in the best and understandable way. Coming to product questions, you can showcase this skill by whiteboarding and tackling the problems in a structured way. One extra tip here, communication also involves non-verbal communication. So if the interviewer is having a bad day, you can make it a better one through your big smile. So these are the 5 things hiring managers look for in product management candidates. Now that you know all that they're looking for, now get to work and stand out from the crowd. For resumes, more the iterations, more the versions, the better. And coming to interviews, more the preparation, more the practice, the better. Hey, did you also observe one key thing across the 5 key elements? Oh, you did? That's awesome, you're smart. Yes, just through side hustles, you can showcase to the hiring manager how good of a product manager you are. Why? Being a product manager is not easy, nor is it easy to have those side hustles. If you already like this video and are excited about the videos that are about to come, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon. That's all that I had for this one. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, be kind, stay humble, and keep hustling. Thank you for watching.